Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the remaining story. Okay, what lesson we have seen? We have seen about the question of grammar. Okay, so now in today's class I am going to continue the story. Students, have you all remember the previous story? So what was happened? So I am just going to recollect. That is, without the father's permissions, he has arranges for the party. He misunderstands the grammar class and he arranges for the party without the parents' permissions. Okay, so he has invited all of his friends for the party. Okay, his mother advises him what to do in the party and what should not do in the party, and because why she's saying this advice, because she won't be available in the party, so only she instructed him. Okay, so now in this place mother went out. Okay, so now in this place a cook, who is the cook? There is a cooker woman in a William's house. Okay, and a Jane is a William's sisters. Okay, so now in the William's house only a William, cook and Janes are there. Okay, William went out in the morning during the party. At the day of the party, William went out in the morning, and Jane. Okay, Jane is her sisters. She also went out with his friends. Okay, so now in this place only cook is there. At 3 o'clock a postman came. Okay, at that time while she's coming to get a postcard. So while he's coming, she took very shock. Okay, why she took a very shock means because William is calling all of his friends. Okay, William is calling all of his friends to come for the party. So here now in this place at the entrance only the William friends are waiting. So only she took very shock. Okay, so cook is asking the questions. Why you have brought these boys here? What does your father told? The father said okay for the party. So that only I have called out all of my friends, like that. William replied. So he just misunderstood with that grammar class and he has arranges for the party. So a cook does not know these things. No, her father said no for the party, but without respecting the father's words, William has called out his friends, like that. Cook she just lock the door in his house. Okay, so think of a situation, if anybody come to your house and if you are just locking, by seeing them you are just locking, see the condition, they will be very insult, they will be very confused, like that. 30 guests, that is a William friends, by cook she just locked the door. No, by seeing that the 30 guests are very confused and they got very insult to that. So till this only we have seen. Okay, now in today's class we shall continue the remaining one. Okay, so come on, shouted William excitedly. She is the enemy. Let's storm her old castle. Okay, so William he shouted very excitedly, come on boys. So she is the enemy. So here one word, she is the enemy is that. So here she refers to a cook. So cook is the enemy because she only has locked the door. No, so she is the enemy. So come on, like that he shouted excitedly. Okay, the guests rose spirit. This promised to be infinitely superior to the usual party. They swarmed. Swarm means gather around. Okay, they swarm means what? Gather around. Swarmed means gather around. So swarm means what? Gather around. Okay, they swarms around the back of the house. Okay, so here a cook, she has locked inside this house and she was inside. No, so she is not a William to coming inside space. She is not allowing a William and his friends to come inside. So these are boys, Williams and his friends, they gather around the house. They swarms around the back of the house. They gather around. Okay, the enemy has blotted the back door and was fastening all windows. So the enemy here refers to a cook. So William is pointing out the enemy as the cook. So cook is the enemy. Okay, so she has been closing all the doors and windows. Okay, purple with furry, she took her fist. Fist means we will keep our hand like this. So if anybody beat you means, so you will be, while beating, you will be having like this. You will be beating like this. No, so this is a fist. Okay. So a cook, he keep a fist. Okay. Fist at the Williams to the drawing room window. William brandished his piece of stick and blew his trumpet in defiant reply. Okay, so William, he became very tired. He became very angry. Okay, so here brandish means wave something in anger. So he's having many, his friends is having many drums. So he's blowing his trumpet. Okay, brandish means wave something in anger. Brandish means wave something in anger. So wave something in anger. So William, he is very angry because cook is not allowing him to enter into the house. No, so he is brandished. So he is having one stick. Okay. So for the stick, he is waving the stick. Okay. William brandished his piece of stick. Okay. He is waving his stick. Okay. And blew his trumpet in defiant reply. So he is blowing he is having a trumpet. Okay. So he is blowing a trumpet in a defiant reply. Defiant means openly refuse to obey. So he is not obeying. Okay. So defiant means Defiant means openly refuse to obey. Okay. Defiant means openly refuse to obey. So defiant means was he is not at all responding. Okay. Openly refuse to obey. He is blowing his trumpet. So with this we can understand that he is not responding, he is not obeying, openly refused to obey. Okay. William decided to climb up to the balcony outside. Okay, William, so cook is not opening the door, no. So William thought, okay, we can go balcony, we can climb up the balcony outside. Okay. Ethel opened bedroom window. Ethel's opened bedroom window with the help of his noble band. So he went to the Ethel's bedroom. Okay. The air was full of their defiant war whoops. They filled the front garden, trampling on all rose beds. Okay. So they are telling about the William's friends. Okay. They all fill the William friends are filling the gardens. Okay. Or filling front gardens. Trampling means in Tamil we will say மிதித்தல். சரியா? trampling na வந்து என்னது? மிதிக்கிறது. ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு மிதிக்கிறதா வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? trampling. Okay. Trampling all rose beds. So in the garden they are trampling the rose beds. Trampling the freshly mowed lawn. They are trampling the rose bed. They are trampling the lawn. Cheering Williams as he swarmed up to the balcony, his trumpet between his lips. The enemy appeared at the window and shut it with a bang. So the enemy here refers to a cook. So he appeared to the window and closed all the doors and windows and shut it with the bang. Bang means with a sharp loud noise. Okay. And William startled, dropped down among his followers. They raised a hoarse roar of anger. Hoarse means sounding rough and harsh. Okay. Hoarse means hoarse. H-O-A-R-S-E. Hoarse means sounding rough and harsh. So they, all of his friends, they got very hoarse. Okay, his friends, all of the William friends, they shouted. Okay, like a rough and a harsh sound, they have shouted. Okay, they raised a hoarse roar of anger. All the door and windows were bolted. There was only one thing to be done. Okay, they cook. She closed all the windows and the doors. Now there is no way of entering into the house. So cook does not know anything. So she just closed all the windows and doors, and now she is inside. Okay, the only thing they did not do, that is the only remaining thing they have to do is the stone with which William broke the drawing room window fell up a small side table, scratching Mrs. Brown's cherished silver foreign wine. So he just throw the stones to the windows. Okay, if we throw the stones to the window, what happened to the window? The window will break. So in that, so breaking, he enlarged the holes, and there is a chance of coming inside. So all of the members are throwing the stones at the windows. Okay, William, with the born general contempt for the minor devastations of war, enlarged the hope and helped his gallant man through with only a limited number of cuts and scratches. They were drunk with a thrill of battle. The enemy was shutting the small window of the coal cellars, and there William imprisoned her, turning the key with the loud yell of her triumph. Okay, so here all of the numbers are throwing these stones at the window. So the William, he enlarged the hole, and suddenly all of his friends are coming inside. Now William, cook is there. No, who is a cook? That is a cooker woman in the William's house. Okay, so the cook William imprisoned her. Okay, imprisoned means அவளை வந்து பிடிச்சி அவளை வந்து லாக் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. கோல் செல்லர் ஒரு இடத்துல வச்சு லாக் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. கோல் செல்லர் மீன்ஸ் அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் ரூம். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட் ரூம் cook was locked. Okay, where was cook locked? Cook was locked in a coal cellar. Okay, what do you mean by coal cellar? Coal cellar is a underground room. Underground room is known as a coal cellar. Okay, so William locked her in a coal cellar. So how he came inside? So he is throwing all the stones. Okay, by throwing the stones, he just enlarged the windows, and all of the numbers are coming inside. Okay, by coming inside, William imprisoned the cooks. Okay, in a coal cellar. Coal cellar is nothing but a underground room. In the underground room, a cook was locked and imprisoned, turning the key with a loud yell of triumph. Triumph means achievement. Okay, the party then proceeds. Okay, now the party was started. So what was disturbed for the party? The cook was disturbing the party. So now the cook was locked inside the underground room. That is a coal cellar. In a coal cellar, it's an underground room where coals are stored. Okay, so in that place she was locked. So there is no disturbance for the William. So William is left free in his house. Okay, so now in William's house only a William and a friend is there, and Jane. Who is Jane? That is a William's sister. She also went out with her friends, and cook is there. No, cook is the cooker woman. So that woman also William he imprisoned her in a underground room. So now he was left free to enjoy the party. William was very happily enjoying the party. The party then proceed. Okay, it is fulfilled the expectation of the guests that it was to be a party unlike any other. So the expectation of guests is, so it is the best party. So none other party in the world is as best as this. Like that William, he arranges for the party. Up the stairs and down the stairs, in all the bedroom, sliding down the balusters. What do you mean by balusters? Baluster means a decorative pillar supporting a railing of stairs. Okay, balusters means decorative pillars supporting the railing of stairs. So balusters means in Tamil we will say kaipidiyai taangum thoon. Okay, in your home all will be having a upstairs. Okay, in the stairs you will automatically hold your hands on a rail. Below the rail there was one decorative pillars. Okay, so railல வந்து என்னது நம்ம வந்து அந்த ஸ்லைடர் தான் வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவோம், படி ஏறும்போது நம்ம பிடிக்கிறதா வந்து என்னது அதான் ரயில். அந்த ரயிலுக்கு கீழே சில டெக்கரேட்டிவான பில்லர்ஸ் வந்து வச்சிருப்பாங்க. சின்னதா ஒரு டெக்கரேட்டிவா இருக்கக்கூடிய கொஞ்சம் பில்லர்ஸ் மாதிரி வந்து ஷேப்ஸ்ல வந்து இருக்கும். அதான் வந்து என்னது பாலஸ்டர்ஸ். ஓகே, இது வந்து தமிழ் என்ன சொல்லணும்னா கைப்பிடியை தாங்கும் தூண். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அ டெக்கரேட்டிவ் பில்லர். ஸ்மால் pillars is there in order to hold the rails. Okay, so they are telling about their house. Okay, all of the numbers are going up and down. Okay, up and down the stairs in all the bedrooms, sliding down the balusters in and out of the drawing room, leaving trails of muddy boots and shattered ornaments as they went. So they are leaving a muddy. So they are all coming home with the muddy foods. Okay, because they are the small child. So the small child does not know anything. So because there was nobody in the house to guide them, so they just entered the house with the muddy food. Okay, it was William who discovered first that it was a tea time and there was no tea. So he is calling friends for the tea party. Now all of the numbers came to the house, but there was no tea. So it was the first time they are calling for the tea, but there was no tea in the party. At first he felt slightly agitated. Then he thought of the ladder and his spirits rose. Okay, ladder means a place where the foods are stored. Okay, ladder means a room for storing food. Ladder means a place for storing foods. Ladder means what? A place. Okay, it's not a place, it's a room. Okay, a room for storing food is known as the ladder. Ladder in your home all will be having a ladder, that is a ladder. So in general we will be saying a storeroom. In the storeroom in your home, in your storeroom, what are the things are there? There will be many food items, many grains, many pulses, grains, food items, snacks, all of them, all these items are there in the storeroom, right? So he thought of the ladder. Ladder is nothing but it's a storeroom. So now he is not having a tree. So if anybody is there, if anybody guided him only, they will arrange for the tea. So simply he misunderstand the grammar class and he arranged for the party. There are no one to guide him now. So there was no tea. So suddenly he thought of the ladder. So in the ladder many eatable things are there. So he thought of that. Okay, come on, he called, or just get what you can. So he's saying whatever you want you can take from the ladder. So in the ladder many eatable things are there, so you can take anything like that. He's calling out his friends. Okay, they trooped in, panting, shouting, laughing, and all just got what they could. So if the snacks are there in one place, what you will do, you will be very shouting, laughing, chatting, like that. In order to get that one, you will be pushing each and every one like that. These things are happened in the William's house at the ladder place. Okay, they are all panting na moochu vaangiradhu. Okay, panting, shouting, laughing. Okay, they just do all this activity in the ladder's room to get the snacks, eatable items. Okay, so what now? I'm going to read what are the things they got. Okay, a ginger. So I'm going to mention out the friends' names. Okay, Ginger sees the remnants. Remnants means leftovers. Okay, remnants means leftover. Remnants means leftovers. That is a remaining. Leftover means that is a remaining. So Ginger sees the remaining of a cold chunks and picked the bone. So he took the remaining bones. Okay. Charged with a great gusto drink of a whole jar of cream. William and Douglas ate a gooseberry pie between them. Henry ate a whole currant cake. Each foraged. What do you mean by foraged? Searching for the food. Okay, each of the numbers are the searching for the food. Okay, now I am going to explain what are the things they have got. Okay, Ginger, he took the bone, and at Charge, he ate the cream, and William and Douglas, they ate the gooseberry, and Henry, he ate the cake. Again I am repeating. So Ginger, he took the bone, and Charge, he ate the creams. Williams and Douglas, they ate the gooseberry. Okay, and Henry, he ate the cake. Okay, all of the numbers are searching for the food. Okay, foraged means search for food. Okay, foraged means search of food. Search for food. So each of the numbers are there searching for the food. Okay, they ate 2 bowls of cold vegetables and joint of meat, 2 parts of honey, 3 dozens of oranges, 3 loaves and 2 gallons of grape juice. Okay, they have eat how many things? They eat the 2 bowls of cold vegetables, a joint meat, 2 parts of honey, 3 dozen of oranges, 3 loaves and 2 gallons of grapes juice. So each of the numbers are eating and searching for the food. Okay, they left the ladder a place gaping emptiness. Now the ladder, it looks a empty one. All of the items are eaten by them. So now the place was very empty. Meanwhile, Cook's voice growing horses and horses as a result of the inhalations of a coal dust and escalations of imprecation still rose from the depths, and still door of the coal cellar stood and rattled. So now the cook voice, so she is imprisoned in the coal cellar, right? That is he is imprisoned in the underground room. Okay, so her voice is she is shouting, okay, in an angry way. Hoarse means what? Sounding rough and harsh. So the cook, horror. Okay, so she is shouting in a harsh and a rough way. Okay. Then one of his guests who had been in the drawing room window came back. Okay, one of his friends was in a drawing room. They came back. Okay. She is coming home, he shouted excitedly. So here she refers to a Jane. Jane, where does a Jane went? A Jane went out with her friends, right? So now she is coming. So she is coming home. By seeing this, one of his friends in the drawing room, he come and informed to the William. Okay, she is coming home. Here she refers to a Jane. Jane is coming home. He shouted excitedly. They flocked to the window. Jane was bidding a fond farewell to her young man at the side gate. Don't let her in, yelled William. Come on. So Jane is coming in. So William, he shouted that don't let her to come. Like that, William, he shouted. Okay, why do you think that William was not allowing Jane to come inside? Can you say? Why means because cook was locked, okay, imprisoned in a coal cellar. Now he is a free bird to enjoy the party. Now if Jane came inside the house means, so he will disturb. She won't allow to continue the party. She will definitely stop the party. So we will lost our enjoyment. So if she comes to the house means our enjoyment is lost. So only William is not allowing Jane to enter into the house. Okay. with the he's saying a bye to a friend. Okay, that's why he's paying a bye to the young boy. Okay, don't let her in, yelled William. Come on, like that William told, don't let her in, like that William shouted. Okay, with a smile of blissful reminiscence. Blissful reminiscence means recollecting some happy memories. That is known as a blissful reminiscence. Blissful reminiscence means recollecting some happy memory. So Jane is very she is very in a happy mood, so she is recollecting happy memories. Okay, with the smile of blissful reminiscence upon her face. That is a Jane face. Jane turned in at the gate. She was totally unprepared for being met by the shower of missiles from the upper windows. A lump of lead hit her on the ear and knocked her hat to one side. She retreated hastily to the side gate. So his friends is there, so they are not allowing Jane to enter into the house. So they have doing some mischievous activities like showering missiles from the upper window. They are showering the missiles and they are locking her. Okay, and lock her hat to one side. She retreated hastily. Hastily means fastly to the side gate. So these members, the William friends, are not allowing Jane to come inside. Okay, for that they are doing many such mischievous activities. Go on, send her into the road. William told that, okay, go and send her in the road, like that William told. A showers of onions, a ham bones, and a few potatoes pursued her into the road. Shouts of triumphs rent the earth. So William told that go and throw her into the road, like that William told. All of the numbers are calling her and they are putting showers of onions, bones and potatoes. These followed her. Okay, then the shouts of triumph. What do you mean by triumph? Triumph is an achievement. Okay, then the shout of triumphs died away abruptly. Okay, so he is shouting with an achievement. So he is very happy. Now the sounds, it became slowly to be quietened. Abruptly means suddenly sounds, it is very quietened. Why the sound is quietened? William was so happy and so excited. Now after she is putting her Jane into the road, sound slowly became slower and slower. Why? Can you think? Okay, we can see that William's smiles also faded away. So his sound and smiles are faded away, and his hand in the act of flinging an onion dropped. The onion also dropped. He is having one onion. No, that onion also dropped. A cab was standing in at the front gate. So in the sudden silence that fell upon the party, a silence was. Cook hoarse cries for vengeance rose with redoubled force from the coal cellar. So vengeance means revenge. Okay, vengeance means what? Revenge. Vengeance means what? Revenge. And redoubled means became stronger. Redoubled means became stronger. So why he was very, his sounds and smiles are faded away. So why means because one cab is coming in the road. Okay, one cab is coming in the road. Okay, cab was standing in the front gate. Okay, so only he was silent. In the cab, all the family members are there. His father, mother, and brother are there. So they are only coming. Okay, so he feel very shocked. Okay, by seeing this, his smile and sounds are faded away. So the cook already she was imprisoned in a coal cellar, no? So she cries for the vengeance. Vengeance means she took an revenge, okay? Pali vaangradhu. So now it's time. So father has come in. So he, without the father's permission, he has arranged for the party. Now the father has arrived. So he will be surely getting a punishment like that. She cries for vengeance, that is a revenge, pali vaangra mari, okay? With a redouble force means became stronger, okay? From the coal cellar, he became very stronger from the coal cellars. So William grew pale. The cab contained his family, okay? Now the cab is there, no? The cab, in the cab his family numbers are there, okay? So this is what the story. So now he feels very fearful manner, because without the father's permission he arranged for the party. Now a father, mothers and brothers are coming in the cab, so they will see how dirty they have made in the house. Definitely a father will scold us. So without the father's permission, I have arranged for the Williams has arranged for the party, and he has done many mischievous activity. He became very he spoiled the decorations of the house. He became very nasty one in the house. So father will give one punishment like that. He became very fearful manner. So at last they are ending with the cab contain his family. So this is what the story. So the homework for today is you have to learn these new words. So this is what the story. Now I am going to share you the short summary of the story. The main character is the William. So William he want to arrange for the party, okay? So on Saturday his parents won't be available, so at that time he want to have a party. So his father told, no, of course not, no, I did not, like that. His father rejected the party, not to conduct the party, okay? So this was the situation, have to understand very carefully. So the father rejected to have a party, okay? On next class, in a grammar class, they are taking about the two negatives mix and affirmative. The teacher explains that if two unknowns are there, means you have to consider that sentences as an affirmative one. So he misunderstands the words of the fathers and the Miss Jones, that is a grammar class, he misunderstands. So here no and no, of course not, no, I did not, these are the words of the father, okay? So he misunderstands with the grammar class, okay? Father said okay for the party, and also he arranges for the party without understanding. He misunderstands with the grammar class and arranges for the party without the parents permission, without the father's permissions, okay? So he took a very anxiously, and he became very to conduct the arrange for the party. He took very interest to arrange for the party. His mother left over, and Jane is not there, and a cook is a cooker woman in the Williams house, okay? So she also locked in the coal cellar. Now in this place, William's house, only a William and friends are there. So they are very enjoying the party to the fullest ones, because there were nobody to guide them. The only disturbance was the cook. So the cook also, they have imprisoned in the coal cellar. Jane went out, the mother is not there. So they are as much as they are enjoying the party, okay? And on after sometimes the Jane coming, so they also throw the Jane into the road, okay? At that time his happiness and smiles faded away. Why? Means on the road a cab is coming. In the cab his family members are there. So if a family members is come inside the house, means definitely a father will scold. Why the father will scold? He said not to arrange for the party, but without respecting his father's words, he has arranges for the party, and he has dirty the house. So all of the numbers spoil the all of the William's friends spoil the decorations of a house. So definitely father, mother will scold me like that. William he looked very fearful, okay? So this is what the story. He misunderstand. The main point is he misunderstand the grammar class to the words of the fathers, and also he arranges for the party without the parents' permissions, okay? Students, are you all clear with the story? Okay, go through the story and study these new words. Thank you.